Are you ready for the Super Bowl? I'm ready. Italian meat and cheese board, Italian style baked chicken wings, the really Italian bruschetta, mini Italian party pizza, focaccia squares with olive oil and rosemary, and zucchini frittata, also called Italian egg bites. Hello guys, my friends from the States told me that something like this when you are watching the Super Bowl is very important. So I decided to give you my Italian menu for the Super Bowl. Don't worry if you miss some ingredient or some proportion, some dimension, some degree. Don't worry, you find the list of the ingredient under the video with all the recipe by recipe. But let's start. I will start from the dough for the focaccia bread and for the small pizza or pizza bite that in Italy we call pizzette. In 1 2/3 of cups of water or 400 ml, we add 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, 2 cups of flour or 250 grams of flour, and we stir everything very well. After, we add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and other 2 cups or 250 grams of flour. Now we divide the dough in two. Half of the dough we will use it for the focaccia bread. The other half we will add 50 grams of flour and we will prepare the dough for the small pizza, the one that we call pizzette. But the goal of this break is to show my t-shirt a little bit provocatory. So it's better rugby or American football? Let me know down the comment. I say this also because I have many friends following the channel from South Africa. Now we cover and we should wait maybe 20-30 minutes. Waiting, we can dedicate ourselves to the chicken wings, a must for the Super Bowl. Thyme, 2 teaspoons of paprika, half teaspoon of chili, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 2 teaspoons of honey. Now we can season our wings, put in a baking pot and bake in the oven preheated at 400 Fahrenheit degree for 30-40 minutes. Now that the wings are in the oven, we can spread our focaccia bread in the other baking pot and make small balls with the dough for the small pizza bite. 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. We add the dough, we smash it a little bit. Don't worry, the dough don't need to fill the tray at the moment because after rising we'll fill it totally. Time to check our baked chicken wings, and now we can make our small balls for the pizza. We cover, we should wait other 15-20 minutes so that the dough rises a little bit. Waiting, we can prepare the rosemary, 2 branches with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For the mini pizza, 1 cup of tomato pulp, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. The wings are almost ready, so now we take our dough, we smash it and make small pizza. A tablespoons of tomato sauce, and we bake in the oven preheated at 480 Fahrenheit degree. Spectacular! After we add the mozzarella cheese and we bake for other 5 minutes. Waiting this time we can keep going with our focaccia. We add the salt, we make some holes with our fingers, and we add the oil with the rosemary. The mini pizza are ready, so now we can bake the focaccia, same temperature, 480 Fahrenheit degree for 20-25 minutes. Waiting for the focaccia, we can prepare the easiest things, the Italian antipasto board or the Italian cheese and ham board. Super easy. If you have not made the stuff at home like I do usually, you can buy it and cut like I'm doing now, or maybe for the final cup of the football, because the football World Cup will be very soon, you can buy our book and make this cold cut at home. Don't worry, you find the recipe in our book, but also here on the channel, so up to you. So now we'll cut a little bit of cheese that I brought from Italy, taralli, olives from Italy, and my prosciutto violino made with the tomahawk steak, and my pitina, the classic one, and also the spicy version. E voila! Other super easy recipe, bruschetta. Please, the real name, the Italian name is not bruschetta, but bruschetta. So now we cut the baguette. You can find the recipe of the baguette also here on the channel in slices, and we bake for 10 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit degrees. 200 grams of cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, thanks to Emily that she gave me these plants, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. And the garlic you should use it directly on the bread. Okay, let's prepare the last really typical Italian comfort food, la frittata. In a pan we put 2 tablespoons of oil, half onion, 3 zucchini. We cover and we need to cook them a little bit until they are soft. Waiting, we can prepare 6 eggs, a pinch of pepper and pinch of salt, and cheese, a lot of cheese. We mix everything very well. Our zucchini are ready. We stir a little bit. We add also to them salt and pepper. We add to the eggs and we put in the pan. We should cook at the minimum power, no more than 5 minutes. After 5 minutes we need to flip our frittata. This is the most complicated, but don't worry, with the lid it's super easy. We should cook few minutes also on the other side. Waiting, we can cut the focaccia. Ta-da! Also our frittata is ready. Now I will cut it in small square and I am ready for my Super Bowl. But before, we will do the tasting. I will do the tasting drinking my homemade beer, the session ale. You already watched the video here. Spectacular, but I already know it because I tasted a few weeks ago here on the channel. So the small pizza, I have already ate one or two. The focaccia the same. So let's test the chicken wings, that is the must for the Super Bowl. But before, remember to subscribe to the channel, to hit my like, to watch and share this video with your friends that will appear here on the channel. And remember, if you have bought our book, let us know down in the comment. Especially if you have tried some recipe, let us know the final result. Plus, let us know who will win the Super Bowl this year. Always down in the comment. So let's test the chicken. Spectacular, because it's a little bit sweet at the beginning, probably is the honey, and after a little bit spicy because I put only a little bit of chili. Top. Okay, let's speak about the bruschetta, not bruschetta. So if you prepare them in advance, they become soggy, so they need to remain crunchy. So how you can do it? You don't put the garlic inside the tomatoes, because you will do like this with the garlic. You spread the garlic here. So if you like the garlic, you can decide the amount of garlic, and after you put the tomato. Can you hear how it's crunchy? Spectacular. The only problem with the bruschetta is that you need to have a dish, if not you will spread tomato everywhere. Okay, we'll finish this one later. My favorite one, the pitina with the focaccia, even better. Little bit spicy, perfect on pizza. Last one, if not the video will be too long. The frittata, because sometimes with zucchini and salt it's complicated to balance it. Spectacular. Bye bye. Also cheese and grapes. And the olives, you can make also olives at home. Remember, following this channel.